A simple, fast, and easy design utilizing the French curved would be a heart shape. For this smaller shape, it was very easy. I just decided to use this smaller side of the French curve, traced around, flipped it over, traced around and mirrored it, and then brought the edges together. And that's a simple heart. Yes, I could have straightened it out a little bit more. This is just showing you how the technique works. Another possibility is spreading your design using a vertical or 45-degree angle, however you want to do that. And I'll show that in a little bit more depth in a moment. But again, using registration marks and points of view to take it and flip it and mirror it so that you have larger options. So again, I like my tracing paper or any type of form of paper. You know how it is for muscle memory. But for design work, learning how to use your French curves and what the possibilities are is where it all begins. Let me move on. Again, I'm showing you here how you can take a border or a block, depending on what you're using this for, and you can use your 45-degree angle from your 90 degrees of the project that you're working on. And by simply laying your template out, figuring out where that curve is going to meet at the 45-degree angle, curving all the way down and meeting at the bottom at the 45-degree angle, you can make a registration mark on your template with your pen or piece of tape. Simply flip your ruler to the other side, mirror it, trace it out, and you've got a heart shape or a shape that you can use for other purposes. Again, I'm going to bring your attention over to this one. Same ruler. I'm using it in the opposite direction where I'm bringing it down to make a curved V. Curved at the top, Ving down at the bottom. That's going to give you some different spine work if you're going to be doing some feathers. Again, learning how to bring out your 90-degree corners, giving yourself a registration mark for the 45-degree line will help you in designing and breaking that up so that you can have some options there for different spine or quilting work. Here's another option for you. You don't necessarily have to use the corner or that registration mark to bring items to a point for a design. You can go off to the sides an inch or two, depending on what design you're looking for. Here, I'm using this same curve of the French curve to make my original design, and then I've gone back and have used this part of the French curve, and I've used it to basically echo back and hit that point on the curve to give myself a little echo in there for design option. Same thing on this side. This could very easily be mirrored over here, which is what I've done with the main spine. But then what I did was I simply brought the curve down, slid it down just a little bit, angled a little bit differently, and brought it back to itself. And that gave myself a different look.